Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're going to be doing a Barry Manilow song. It's called Please Don't Be Scared. I know, creepy title, but it's got some neat keyboard piano parts in it that I'm going to show you all the way. Let's take a listen to the beginning of it. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, so WebPianoTeacher.com, where we gather together to share, learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all you guys out there who are trying to learn to play piano online. You can do it. You just have to choose the right lessons, and you have to know how to practice those two things. That's what I'm here for. So, in case you didn't know it, on WebPianoTeacher.com, you can watch thousands of free lessons on there. A lot of people get a lot out of those Part 1 lessons, so hop over there and take a look. Check us out on Instagram. A lot of Instagram exclusive things that we don't put anywhere else, especially the one particular thing we're going to upload today. You're going to love. Check us out, Web Piano Teacher on Instagram. Well, getting to this Part 1, we're going to learn this, and I'm also going to talk about the chords a little bit and kind of discuss a little bit of theory here. A little bit of theory here and there kind of really helps you in all your music. So, play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So, we have the key of F, all right? So, right here we're on an F chord. We'll look at what the chords are, and then we'll kind of get into what to play. So, F is our 1 chord, okay? Anything about music theory? I do have some theory lessons as well you can check out on the site. So, there's FAC. See that? FAC, even though it's kind of mixed up and jumbled around. Still an F chord. This one's neat. Listen to that. You ever heard that sound? Okay. It's called a diminished chord. When you hear a diminished chord, you want to identify it by, what it looks like on the keyboard and how to play it, but also the sound. A lot of people forget that. The sound, listen to that. Diminished chords are always kind of unstable sounding. They kind of yearn to go to the next place. It's got to go somewhere else, and it does eventually. But diminished chords really serve to create a little bit of a tension where we can have a release later. Okay, so whenever you hear that sound, you can say, well, maybe that's a diminished chord, and you might be right. So let's look at how it looks here. C sharp, E, G. Okay, if you look at a regular C chord, C, E, G, there we have C, E, G. All you do with a major chord is you raise that first note a half step to a sharp. You have it. Hear how much different that sounds than just a regular C chord? All right? Diminished. So you have that sound, diminished. There's lots of diminished chords. There's another one. But they just have an unsettled sound. I love the next one. It's what we resolve to. Okay? Look at this. We have A, C, F on top. You might say, oh, that's an F chord. You are right, except you have to include the bass note as well, especially the bass note. Don't leave out the bass. A, C, F. But if we put a D in it, then we have D, F, A, C. So it's like having an F chord with a D in the bass, sort of, but really the chord is D minor 7. Here's the D minor part, D, F, A. Adding that C gives you a 7th. A minor 7th sounds very jazzy sounding. Minor 7th, they're kind of lazy boy sounding, lazy chair. To me, that's what feeling I have in my mind. So we have F, 1 chord, and then we have our diminished chord, okay? And then D minor 7. That was C sharp diminished. C sharp diminished, D minor 7. All right? So you learned 3 new chords today, so I think that's great. If you don't learn anything else, learn those 3 new chords. Now let's play it. C, B flat, 5th finger, 4th finger, C, A with 1 and 3. Remember, if you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets. This is just a little zoomed in little part of the whole big sheet that you can get. Remember, then you can print it out or whatever. So C and A, and then F, and then C after that. So 4 and 1 and 2. All right? Or actually, bum, bum, bum. The left hand's going to have a bass F, and then a C in the gap. Don't forget about the gap. 1 and 2 and so 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. So C sharp, E, G. There's our diminished chord. Make sure you change your pedal. You don't want to mix the F chord with that. 4, a 1, da-da. That goes a little faster, 16th note, because the 2 curved lines instead of 1 curved line. So F and then A, C, F. Then you go D on the left hand, A, D, then left hand goes D, C. I'm going to do an octave just because I want to. I think the keyboard just does a single D, but I like D, C, and then parallel 6. Those are beautiful, right? A lot of pop music has that in it. F and D together, then G and E, and then A and F. When you play these, a lot of people insist on using their 5th finger on every 6th. I guess that's okay to start with because you can feel the distance there, but it's actually a lot more effective if you'll use your 3rd and 4th fingers as you're moving up or down. Let me show you what I mean. If you use the 3rd finger on the D, 4th finger on the E, 5th finger on the F, then you can feel that a lot easier. I feel that a lot easier than doing this. This is hard to use my 5th finger on every one, but 3rd, 3, 4, 5, I can play it smoother and I really can feel where I am. All right, putting it all together. 1 and 2 and 3. 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2. All right. So, like I said, we do learn the whole thing. webpianoteacher.com. Hope to see you there. I'll also see you on Instagram, right? Talk to you later.